Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we delve into one of the most thrilling developments in the smartwatch world, the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a fitness-focused athlete, or someone who simply loves cutting-edge technology, this is a watch that promises to redefine premium sports wearables. The leaks and rumors surrounding this device are creating an unparalleled buzz. From game-changing display technology to advanced health tracking features, let's explore everything we know so far about the Fenix 8 Pro and why it's poised to dominate the market. Revolutionary display technology. Imagine a smartwatch with a display brighter, sharper, and more power-efficient than ever before. According to the latest leaks, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro might feature micro-LED technology, a step up from traditional displays. This innovation provides superior brightness and power efficiency, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're trekking under the glaring sun or running trails in dense forests, this display promises excellent visibility without compromising battery life. For context, the current Fenix 8 already boasts impressive battery performance with up to 48 days on certain models. With micro-LED, the Pro version could push these limits even further. The combination of sharp visuals, enhanced durability, and reduced power consumption makes this a must-have for athletes demanding the best in wearable tech. Advanced health monitoring. Garmin has long been at the forefront of health tracking technology, and the Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to raise the bar yet again. Featuring the new Elevate Gen 6 heart rate sensor, this watch could include groundbreaking features like continuous ECG monitoring, real-time heart stress data, lactate threshold tracking, HRV readings. These metrics aren't just for show, they're designed to help you train smarter and recover better. Imagine getting detailed insights into your cardiovascular performance during a workout or receiving sleep analysis reports to optimize your recovery. The Fenix 8 Pro transforms health monitoring into a powerful tool for achieving fitness goals with precision. Slimmer yet rugged design. The Fenix series has always been synonymous with rugged durability, and the Fenix 8 Pro is no exception. Thanks to the use of micro-LED technology, leaks suggest that the watch could sport a slimmer profile without compromising its robustness. Reports indicate two size options, 47mm and 51mm, similar to the current models, but with refined design enhancements. These changes could make the watch even more versatile for outdoor adventures. Additionally, expect upgraded features like a brighter flashlight and improved microphone capabilities, ensuring better usability in challenging environments. Satellite connectivity. A game changer. Perhaps one of the most exciting leaks is the potential inclusion of satellite connectivity. This feature could be revolutionary for ultrarunners, hikers, and adventurers venturing into remote areas. Imagine being able to send messages or make calls even in places with no cellular service. While specifics are still under wraps, such a feature would elevate the Fenix 8 Pro's appeal to a whole new level for outdoor enthusiasts. Garmin's legacy of innovation. To appreciate the Fenix 8 Pro's significance, let's briefly revisit Garmin's history with the Fenix series. Fenix 5 introduced a rugged, robust design. Fenix 6 added solar charging and expanded storage. Fenix 7 brought multi-band GNSS, Sat-IQ, and flashlight features. Fenix 8 set new standards in battery life and overall performance. Each iteration has gone beyond incremental upgrades, delivering meaningful advancements. The Fenix 8 Pro appears to continue this tradition, setting itself apart with cutting-edge technology and innovative features. Advanced training tools for athletes. For those serious about fitness, the Fenix 8 Pro promises next-level training tools. Leaked features include real-time lactate threshold analysis, continuous ECG monitoring during workouts, enhanced HRV tracking for sleep and recovery insights. These features are designed to provide athletes with precise data to optimize their training regimens. Whether you're preparing for a marathon or refining your recovery strategies, this smartwatch aims to be your ultimate fitness companion. Competitive pricing and market positioning. While Garmin has yet to announce official pricing, the standard Fenix 8 starts at $1,100. The Pro version is expected to carry a higher price point, reflecting its advanced features. However, for serious athletes and tech enthusiasts, this investment is likely to be worth every penny. The competitive landscape is also a factor. With rivals like Apple's Ultra series introducing features such as micro-LED displays and satellite connectivity, Garmin's aggressive innovation ensures it stays ahead of the curve. Release timeline. Garmin typically adheres to an 18 to 24-month refresh cycle for the Fenix series. However, the rapid succession of leaks following the Fenix 8's launch suggests that the Pro version could arrive sooner. If rumors hold, an official announcement may come within the next month, aligning with Garmin's strategy of leveraging new technology to maintain its market dominance. Final thoughts. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of premium sports watches. With innovations like micro-LED displays, advanced health monitoring, and potential satellite connectivity, it promises to set new benchmarks. Whether you're an ultrarunner, triathlete, or outdoor enthusiast, this watch offers features tailored to your needs. Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Stay tuned for more updates as we await the official announcement. If you're considering upgrading your smartwatch, it might be worth holding off until the Fenix 8 Pro arrives. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.